Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair the Bluetooth speaker to your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And right here I have that Bluetooth speaker. Probably you don't have the same one, but you can also check our other guides on how to enter pairing mode, probably even on your own speaker. So again, let's power on the speaker. Right here, go for the start on your Surface, enter the settings. Right here, locate the Bluetooth and devices. And now we can enter pairing mode on this speaker, so I'll do like that. So it entered.
Connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
So it entered the connecting phase, I guess. Let's click on Add Device, Bluetooth. Here we need to wait for it to appear, so it's this one.
Connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone. Soulmate is connected.
And now the device should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.